Welcome guys, welcome to your crypto's channel. Today with this website, I'm going to show you how to earn free Litecoin on this website. Now, the link to this website will be in the description of this video. Now, to access this website, you need to register an account, and the best way or easy way or the fast way to register an account is to put in your Facet Pay email address in this section, which is showing over here. As you can see, this section showing enter your Facet Pay email address. Now, a Facet Pay email address is a wallet, so you need to create a wallet with Facet Pay, probably with a good email you have, so it will be simple for you to access this website. Now, you paste in your Facet Pay email address to register. So quick, let me enter my email and click on claim free Litecoin now. So now this is the dashboard to this website. Now, as you can see, we are going to focus on how to claim free Litecoin on this website. Now, as you can see, there's a row range and award range over here. Now, this range is showing if your row picks between 1 and 990,000, you're gonna win 0.001 Litecoin. So let's try our luck today and see what we win. So you scroll down, click on row down here. Let's go back. Now, reward successful. So we just claim free Litecoin. So as you can see, our Litecoin balance just increased. As you can see over here, it was 20 thereabouts, now it just increased. So now in every single day too, you have 10 free claims. So you need to log in daily to claim free Litecoin 10 times in a day. So now let's add another rule. Let's verify you were human before. After verification, then we click on rule. Let's go back. Now, reward claimed successfully. So this is the process you're going to use to claim all. Good. You can see a timer down there counting. So this timer is when you're going to wait for another row until you're going to roll to the max. Good. So now let me move you guys to the withdraw section for you to see how to withdraw from this website. Very easy and simple. So guys, this is the withdrawal section over here, and I want to show you how to easily withdraw your money or your Litecoin as you complete the tax. Now, there are other ways to earn on this website, but probably I want you guys to stick with this one I just taught you. Claiming free rules every single day you log in, and you can claim at most 10 times for free in a single day. So now, as you can see, our balance over here is 0.001 Litecoin, which is equivalent to 0.01 cent. Now, our withdrawal, we scroll down, we click on max. So we want to withdraw the total Litecoin in our account balance. Now we click on withdraw to see the process. Now, instantly withdraw drawer, proceed successfully. Now, it is easy and simple. Easy and simple. As we just claim free Litecoin, we just withdrawed the total balance into our Facet Pay. Now, so it's important for you to create a Facet Pay wallet first and use that email to log in into this website or sign up to this website and start claiming free facets. As you can click on the facet section and scroll down to roll your dice, and easy and simple. As you can see, limit is reached for the day. So this is easy and simple. You can hit me up on Telegram if you don't understand anything about this website. Easy and simple. Bye.